Good day. The topic is about unit conversion. Note that we can convert one unit of a certain dimension to another unit of the same dimension by using some conversion factors. For example, we can convert inch to centimeter by noting 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. Now suppose we are given with a distance between two oxygen atoms in an oxygen molecule is equal to 1.21 times 10 to the negative 8 centimeter. And we wish to find or to express this distance in terms of inch. So what we will do is to use this certain conversion factor we have here to convert the said quantity.